Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this blonde beauty right here, y'all, that I applied in like less than 15 minutes. Okay, so first off, this wig came from RPGSHOW hair. Just in case any of you guys are interested, check below in my description box because all the links to this wig and their website will be listed down below. So y'all, if y'all not familiar with RPGSHOW hair, boom. I will say they are on a pricier side, but you get what you pay for, okay? And the quality is A1. So if you're looking for a wig that already comes like everything, pre-plucked hairline, bleach knots, already styled, this probably is gonna be the wig for you. So this is the wig. Look how gorgeous this wig is. Now, one thing about RPGSHOW hair is the wigs already come bombed. So the only thing I recurled was the front, just from being in its packaging. Sometimes when you get the wig, it's not curled like it should be. So I did recurl the hair, and it also was parted in the middle, and I made it as a side part. But look at this color. This color is so pretty. This is a 13x6 lace front. They have the two combs off to the side, a comb in the back, and then they give you a little bit of lace in the back. They also give you the elastic band that you can adjust, and this is sewn in here, and then you also have the adjustable straps.